new to lingcod fishing and have no idea where to start? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can jig for lingcod for the very first time if you've never actually done it before. And trust me, it's way easier than you think. Hey, it's Jamie Peth with Anglers Unlimited, where we help people get the information, tools, and tips they need to catch more fish and have a freaking blast on the water. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel or check us out on our social media accounts if you want to connect with other fish-obsessed people like us. So let's jump into it.
Fishing, it's really simple no matter what reel or setup you're using. You're just going to release, let it down to the bottom. I'm in the marina, so we're not going to go very deep. Once I feel it hit, I'm going to immediately pull up because you ideally are going to be drifting a little bit and you do not want to get hooked up on the rocks. It's a really grabby bottom is where the lingcod are hanging out. So you want to be very gentle. When you hit that bottom, you pull up immediately. Flip the bail back and then you're just literally going to jig. Every time you feel the bottom, you pop back up. And as you drift, your depth's going to change. So you'll raise up if you need to get a little bit lower. I like to hit with my rod tip pretty low. That way I can give it a little bit more action. And just like that, hit the bottom, bounce back up. And this is one way, if you put your hand right here, this will save your arm and just kind of use it as a pivot point. Because you know, sometimes you're going to be jigging for a long time. Another way to do it if you get tired on one side is you can do it this way. The main thing is always be on the bottom. You just want to bounce it, like kiss it. Think about that. And then if you hit the bottom too much, you reel it up a little bit. If you start feeling no bottom, you drop back down. That's it. It's pretty simple. Okay. If this is your first time dropping down for lingcod, go over the side, put your thumb on the reel, flip the spool, and let it out. And just keep a little bit of pressure on the reel so it doesn't go out too fast. And as soon as you feel it tap the bottom, push your thumb down and lift up, and then flip the bail. And start jigging.